Hi guys, so let's continue talking about variables or data types in C++. So today we're going to talk about the float data type. So let's get started. So you guys remember we need to start with the data type, in this case float, which is used to store float put numbers, okay, such as pi, 3.141592. So we have 6 decimal values. Okay, so I'm gonna print this. Let's say pi equals, let's do this, and pi in the new line, okay. So we're gonna compile and execute this program to see its output. So you guys can see we didn't show the 2 because this float and type, it isn't very big. Okay, so there you go. You can store things like, if I try to store a int number such as 5, I should see decimal values as well. Yeah, because as C++ doesn't show, because C++ is smart. So okay, so we're gonna try to show this 5 and zeros, so you guys can see it doesn't show because this is C++. It knows how to handle that. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna talk about now is about variable declaration. One thing that you guys need to watch out for is the name of the variable. So let's say I want to create a variable to store, for example, 3 kinds of stuff. I cannot start a variable name with a number. For example, 5 colors. Okay, I cannot do this. If I try to run this, I will actually get a compile error. Okay, because I cannot start a variable with a number. But I could color 2, for example. This would work. So I can create a variable with a number. It comes afterwards. So this is valid. The other thing is not valid. I don't have the pi anymore. Okay, I need to correct this. Just color 2 and a line. Okay, there we go. So let's execute again. Okay, so you guys can see this. I could start with a special character. That's only one special character that you guys can start a variable with, which is underline. Okay, any other special character will be rejected and will result in error. Okay, so you guys need to pay attention to this. Okay, there's no more I have to talk about now, but that's one thing I should look for. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. See you guys next time.